Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are putting the spotlight on the incredibly versatile and ever stylish Anaswara Rajan. So, let's explore her amazing fashion choices. The actress, known for her versatile fashion sense, effortlessly blends chic contemporary styles with modern elegance. Her red carpet appearances often showcase her flair for contemporary couture, favoring sleek gowns adorned with intricate embellishments that highlight her youthful charm. In casual settings, she gravitates towards relaxed yet stylish ensembles, opting for trendy jumpsuits or flowy dresses that exude a laid-back sophistication. She also embraces ethnic wear with grace, often seen in vibrant saris intricately draped or embellished with traditional motifs, complemented by statement jewelry that adds a touch of regality to her look. Her fashion choices consistently reflect a balance of modern trends and timeless elegance, making her a trendsetter in both casual and formal attire. The actress doesn't shy away from making bold fashion statements. She often dazzles in sleek, body-hugging gowns that accentuate her slender frame. These gowns are frequently embellished with sequins or intricate beadwork, adding a hint of sparkle that catches the light just right. Her choice of colors varies from classic blacks and whites to vibrant reds and blues, each selected to make a striking impression. Her attention to detail extends to her accessories and makeup. She complements her outfits with sophisticated jewelry pieces, think diamond-studded earrings or elegant chokers, that enhance her overall look without overwhelming it. Her makeup choices are equally considered, often featuring a flawless base, smoky eyes, and a bold lip color that ties the entire ensemble together. Hairstyles range from sleek updos to loose waves, each meticulously styled to suit the occasion and outfit. Her style embodies a relaxed, chic vibe that is effortlessly trendy. She has a penchant for contemporary, easy-to-wear pieces that combine comfort with style. The actress often opts for high-waisted jeans paired with crop tops or oversized shirts, creating a balanced look that is both modern and casual. Her love for street style is evident in her frequent choice of stylish sneakers or ankle boots that add a touch of edge to her outfits. When embracing a bohemian spirit, the beauty gravitates towards flowy maxi dresses or skirts with floral patterns, often accessorized with layered necklaces and wide-brimmed hats. Her casual wardrobe is a mix of playful prints, bold colors, and soft pastels, reflecting her vibrant personality and youthful energy. She seamlessly transitions from day to night, effortlessly switching from comfortable day wear to more refined evening ensembles. She often experiments with vibrant color palettes and intricate detailing, embracing everything from regal blues and deep maroons to pastel pinks and mint greens. The actress pairs these outfits with elaborate jewelry, such as jhumkas, chokers, and bangles, which adds a layer of sophistication and completes her look. Her hairstyle in traditional attire often leans towards classic, with neatly braided hair or sleek buns adorned with fresh flowers or hair accessories, reinforcing her elegant and poised demeanor. Anaswara is also a fan of fusion fashion, where she skillfully merges Western and Indian elements to create unique, eye-catching looks. Whether it's pairing a crop top with a long skirt or wearing a kurta with jeans, she manages to blend styles seamlessly, showcasing her ability to innovate while respecting traditional aesthetics. This fusion approach highlights her versatility and willingness to experiment with fashion, making her a true style icon for the modern generation. Accessories play a significant role in her fashion choices. She is known for her eclectic collection of bags, ranging from sleek clutches for evening events to trendy crossbody bags for casual outings. Her footwear choices are equally diverse, including everything from elegant heels to comfortable flats and trendy sneakers. Each accessory is chosen with care, adding a distinct touch to her ensemble. Her fashion journey is a testament to her ability to adapt and experiment with different styles while maintaining a cohesive and polished look. Her inclination towards fusion fashion is a testament to her innovative spirit. She excels in blending Indian wear with contemporary Western elements, creating looks that are both fresh and respectful of cultural heritage. A prime example is her pairing of a vibrant, embroidered crop top with high-waisted jeans or a flowy skirt, which beautifully marries the structure of Western silhouettes with the intricate detailing of Indian craftsmanship. Another favorite is the fusion of ethnic jackets or capes with modern outfits. She often layers a traditional embroidered jacket over a simple tee and jeans or pairs it with a solid colored dress. This not only adds a layer of sophistication but also introduces a playful mix of textures and patterns. Her draping style is versatile, from the classic navy drape to more experimental styles that play with the pallu or the pleats, adding a contemporary twist to the age-old garment. Lehengas are another staple in her ethnic wardrobe. She favors designs that blend modern trends with traditional craftsmanship, often choosing lehengas with intricate embroidery, mirror work, or fusion cuts. Her color palette here ranges from deep, regal hues like emerald greens and royal blues to soft pastels and earthy tones, each selected to complement the occasion and her mood. Her accessory choices are equally thoughtful. She often adorns herself with statement jewelry pieces, large chanbalis, mantikas, and elaborate neck pieces that amplify the grandeur of her outfits. Her hairstyles complement these looks perfectly, often styled in voluminous curls or sleek updos, sometimes adorned with gajras or elegant hairpins that add a touch of traditional charm. Away from the glitz and glamour, her street style is a masterclass in modern casuals. She effortlessly combines comfort with style, creating looks that are both chic and approachable. High-waisted jeans and trendy crop tops are a go-to, often paired with oversized blazers or denim jackets for a layered, street-savvy look. She also loves playing with patterns, such as stripes, checks, and florals, infusing her casual outfits with personality and flair. Her choice of accessories for casual outings is just as stylish. She frequently opts for trendy sneakers or combat boots that add a bit of edge to her outfits. Her bags are a mix of practical yet fashionable choices, from stylish backpacks to quirky crossbody bags. Sunglasses are another staple in her casual attire, with her often seen in oversized frames or classic aviators that add a touch of glamour to her day-to-day looks. Her fashion sense is also highly adaptable to seasonal changes, showcasing her versatility. In the summer, she favors light, breezy fabrics and bright colors that reflect the vibrancy of the season. Think flowy sundresses, airy skirts, and playful rompers in shades of yellow, white, and coral. Her summer accessories are minimal yet effective, often featuring simple sandals, straw hats, and delicate jewelry that complement the lightness of her outfits. As the seasons shift to cooler months, her wardrobe transitions to include cozy knits, layered outfits, and a palette of deeper, warmer tones. She embraces the art of layering with aplomb, combining chunky sweaters with tailored coats, scarves, and boots. Her winter style is all about comfort without compromising on elegance, often featuring oversized cardigans, high-waisted trousers, and stylish ankle boots that keep her warm and fashionable. Her fashion is also a reflection of her inspirations and influences. She draws from a diverse range of sources, including Bollywood icons, global fashion trends, and traditional Indian aesthetics. Her ability to integrate these inspirations into her own style is what makes her a standout in the fashion world. Whether she's channeling the timeless grace of classic Indian actresses or the edgy vibes of contemporary street fashion, Anaswara's outfits always carry her signature touch. In recent times, the actress has shown a growing interest in sustainable and ethical fashion, a reflection of her conscientious approach to style. She often collaborates with brands and designers who prioritize eco-friendly practices and ethical sourcing. This commitment is evident in her choice of fabrics, often favoring organic cottons, handloom textiles, and pieces made from recycled materials. Her support for sustainable fashion is not just a trend but a lifestyle choice, making her a role model for young fashion enthusiasts who value environmental responsibility. In public appearances, be it promotional events, movie screenings, or casual outings, the actress ensures her fashion choices resonate with the occasion. She adapts her style to fit the tone, always looking polished and appropriate. For formal events, she often opts for structured dresses or elegant jumpsuits that highlight her sophistication. Casual events see her in more relaxed, playful outfits that showcase her fun-loving personality. Her fashion journey is a tapestry of diverse styles and influences, each thread carefully chosen to reflect her evolving persona. She continues to captivate and inspire with her ability to seamlessly transition between different fashion realms while maintaining a distinct sense of self. Her commitment to exploring and embracing a wide range of fashion choices makes her a true style icon, continually pushing the boundaries of her sartorial expressions. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.